Yes. Good morning, students. We will start with the non-exact type of differential equation. Before that, we'll see one part of differential equation, which is exact but not of what we say mdx plus ndy form. We can convert it to mdx plus ndy form, and then we'll be able to identify whether it is exact or not. So, yesterday I shared some notes in that it is mentioned, but let me ask you. Whether looking at the question you will be able to identify whether it is exact or not, and you tell me whether it is one of the type which we have already done also. Okay, so the form is dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2. Have we done this type of differential equation earlier? dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y
Yes.
plus c2. Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
what it is called?
Non-homogeneous.
Homogeneous.
It is called as non-homogeneous differential
Non-homogeneous.
equation. Okay, because there are x and y terms which are of degree 1 and constant c1 and c2 are degree 0. Non-homogeneous differential equation. If it is type 1, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Right? That we have done. Type 1 non-homogeneous is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. And type 2 non-homogeneous is, who will tell me?
E1 by
Type 2.
E2
A1
is
by,
not equal to
is
B1
not
by
equal
B2.
to
A1
B1
by
by
2 is
B2.
not equal to B1 by B2.
Very good. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So you remember the process of doing A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 is very lengthy. Do you remember? You have to put
Yes.
small x is equal to
Small x
capital
equal
X.
to
Capital
capital
X
Yes.
L
plus
plus a
Yes,
and
ma'am.
y.
small y equals to
y
capital
equal
Y
to
plus
capital Y
k.
plus
Capital
K.
Capital Y
Yes,
plus
yes. So
Y.
it is quite lengthy.
Okay.
So this question we will try to solve it by exact if certain condition is satisfied. Can anybody guess how we are going to do that? What is the what is the form that we require for exact differential equation? This is the form mdx plus
M
plus
plus
n
D.
Ma'am, we can
n
cross multiply it.
equals to 0.
very good. That's it. Yeah. So you have to cross multiply it. That means it will be a2x plus b2y plus c2 into dy is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 into dx. And then take everything on one side. That is quite important. Huh? So it is, I'll write a1x plus b1y plus c1 into dx plus everything will become minus. Minus into x minus p2y minus c2 dy is equal to 0. So what is m? M of x comma y is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1, and n is minus a2x minus b2y and c2. Now what is the necessary condition for the differential equation to be exact? Delta my, say it along with me so that
The y equals
Is
to d
equal
by
to
n by
deba
by
n by
x.
Equals
deba
to
x.
delta n upon delta x.
x. This is the equation. Delta m by delta y is equal to delta m by delta x. What is delta m by delta y? Left hand side. Derivative of m with respect to y is b1. X is constant, c1 is constant, derivatives will be 0. This term and this term. Only b1 y, the differentiation will be there. What is the derivative of y with respect to y? 1. So what it is b? What it is b? b1. And what is right hand side? Derivative of n with respect to x. So derivative of n with respect to x is minus
Minus A2.
minus a2. So what is the condition for this differential equation to be exact? This will
B1
be
equals to
valid. Is equal to is exact if b1 is equal to minus a2.
minus A2.
Okay, that's the condition. If b1 is equal to minus a2, then dy by dx is directly exact, and then cross multiply it, integrate it. If it is dx, y is constant, and dy is free from x, or vice versa. Terms free from x. Whichever way you feel that it is easy. Now, in such a polynomial case, you can free any variable. dy के साथ x को free कर सकते हैं, dx के साथ y को free कर सकते हैं. दोनों को not together, not both of them to be free together. One to be taken constant, other to be free, or x to be taken constant, y. Okay, and then you get the solution, avoiding all the long procedure that we did in non-homogeneous type. So for that, If the given differential equation is non-homogeneous, we can first check whether it is type 1 or type 2. Still, the number of steps are more. So, we will cross-check whether B1 is minus A2. That is, coefficient of the numerator in the numerator of y should be negative coefficient of the denominator x2. Then we will say that it is exact differential equation. Rewrite it in the form mdx plus mdy is equal to 0, and then use the solution of exact differential equation. Clear? So please write down this note. This is a note which you have an example also on this. Note, if dy by dx, this note is also asked in this schema. If dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2, if dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2 is non-homogeneous differential equation, then it will be exact if b1 is equal to minus a2. b1 is equal to minus a2. Okay, let me give you one question and try to solve it. Solve dy by dx is equal to 5 minus 3x minus 2y. 5 minus 3x minus 2y divided by what is the denominator? 2x plus 3y minus 5. 2x plus 3y minus 5. Okay, so if you want to rewrite it in this form, a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2, and then you can compare, or if you know the coefficient of y in the numerator should be equal to negative coefficient of x in the denominator. Coefficient of y in the numerator should be negative coefficient of x in the denominator. So you can directly write that b1 is equal to minus a2, or first convert it to that form, minus 3x minus 2y plus 5 divided by 2x plus 3y minus 5. Compare this with a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus c2. Okay, b1 is minus 2 and a2 is 2. That is, b1 is equal to minus a2, and therefore differential equation is exact. Differential equation is exact. Okay? Fine. So then how will you solve it? Once you know that differential equation is exact, you have to cross multiply and rewrite it in the form mdx plus mdy equal to 0. So cross multiply this equation, so it will become 2x plus 3y minus 5 dy is equal to minus 3x minus 2y plus 5 dx. Now take dx on left hand side so that the negative terms will become positive and it will become simple to solve. So it is 3x plus 2y minus 5 dx plus 2x plus 3y minus 5 dy equal to 0 is exact differential equation. Is exact differential equation. If you want, you can cross check. Del m by del y will be equal to del m by del x. Del m by del y will be equal to del m by del x. Therefore, solution of the differential equation is integration 3x plus 2y minus 5 dx plus integration 2x plus 3y minus 5 dy is equal to c. Yes, I'll ask you now, one of the student, please tell me roll number C51. C51, you're present? C51?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. dx के साथ इंटीग्रेट करते समय what I'm going to take here when I'm integrating with respect to x dx.
Y constant.
Y will be constant. Very good. And when it is dy, what I have to do?
X constant नाही घ्यायचा मॅम कारण
X free.
Yes. When we are
Free from
taking what terms?
X free.
It's
Free
from
from,
X.
yeah, free from x. Okay. So which are the term which has x? 2x is the term which has x. So remove it. And then if both of them are not having x, so it will remain as it is. There y is constant. Now to the integration. Integration of 3x is 3x square by
Ma'am.
2. Yeah.
3x square plus 3y square plus 4xy minus 10x minus 10y equals to C.
Correct. So 3x square by 2, 2y is constant, so it will remain as it is. Integration of dx is x minus 5x plus 3y square by 2 minus 5y is equal to c. Now take the LCM. You can see 2 in the denominator, so it is 3x square plus 3y square plus 4xy minus 10x minus 10y is equal to c. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your answer.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Any doubt to anyone in this?
No ma'am.
So now you see, once you stick to this method, okay, it's quite easy to understand, and it is very you can say logical. The x, y is constant. If I have taken one term to be constant, in the other integration I have to free the variable which is not present in the integration. y के साथ x का क्या करना है ये सोचना है, तो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी y को कांस्टेंट दिया है, तो यहाँ पे टर्म्स फ्री फ्रॉम x कर यहाँ पे अगर I would have said terms free from y, then I would have taken that x is constant. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
मॅम एक डाऊट होता
Yes, ask.
मॅम ते सॉल्युशन ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन एक्स नाही का आपण ते लिहिले की y इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टंट टर्म्स फ्री फ्रॉम एक्स.
Yeah.
आपण नाही का दोन कंडिशन बदलले की एकामध्ये एक्स कॉन्स्टंट असतं आणि टर्म्स फ्री फ्रॉम वाय असतो आणि एक हा वाला असतो, तर आपण कसं डिसाइड करायचं की नेमकं कुठलं कंडिशन लावायची?
Very good. See, whenever it is polynomial, polynomial means a function which is inside the integral. This is a polynomial. This is also a polynomial. You take any one of it, no problem. But if suppose some question, like yesterday we did one question which had log of x square plus y square, that term was there. Integration of that term would have been difficult than a polynomial. So it depends on the functions which are present inside the integration. So for example, if tan inverse is there, then integration of tan inverse would have become a linear than just integration of x or integration of 1 by x. So look at the functions which are present inside the integration, and depending on that, you say whom to free. If suppose tan inverse x was there, then say terms free from x and remove it. If suppose log of x square plus y square was there in this integration, say take free the terms from y. So it totally depends on how to make the integration easier. Which function integration will be easier, so that that term can be kept and the other one can be removed. ठीक है? चैतन्य ना?
Yes. Ma'am. Rohit.
Rohit, Rohit. Clear now, Rohit?
येस मॅम.
Okay. Anybody has any other doubt? Please ask. No doubt? Should we go ahead then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
should be the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
question? Yeah. What should be the next question that comes to your mind? Now what we have done yesterday, Anjali had that question. That is a very correct question. When do we apply? When do we apply this particular method? So first of all, any differential equation when it is given to you, first thing that you have to do is check whether it is variable separable, because that's the easiest thing. तो सबसे easy term method है variable separable. अगर वो नहीं है, then go for exact differential equation. Check whether it is exact. That is second method, which is rather easier. Homogeneous, non-homogeneous are still a bit lengthier. Okay? Then go for linear differential equation. And if not, then if when you're going to find for exact differential equation, if it is non-exact, means what del n by del y is not equal to del n by del x. Okay? So can you convert it to exact? That should be the next question that comes to your mind. ऐसे आता है क्या क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में कि पहले तो वेरिएबल सेपरेबल भी नहीं है, सपोज लीनियर भी नहीं है, देन exact भी नहीं है, तो कैन आई कन्वर्ट इट टू exact?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So हाँ, there are few conditions or there are few rules by which we can convert the given differential equation which is non-exact to exact. That is the next type, non-exact differential equation. Okay, given equation will be having the condition that delta n by delta y is not equal to delta n by delta x. Therefore, it is not exact. But there is something called as integrating factor. You are going to multiply the given equation with an integrating factor. Once you multiply with that integrating factor, the differential equation will become exact. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम
हाँ, बोला.
मैम एक बार रिपीट करो ना.
सबसे पहले तो given a differential equation, it will be asked only solve. They won't say this solve this by variable separable or solve this by exact, solve this by non-exact. ऐसे बोलेंगे. They won't say that. So you have to identify the type. That's the most important thing. Okay. So what you have to do generally, go for first checking that whether it is variable separable. Then you can check whether it is exact. When you are checking it for exact, you will be calculating delta n by delta y and delta n by delta x. If they are different, you know that it is not exact. Then the question arises, can it be converted to exact? When it will become exact, if I do some changes or if I multiply and divide by some term, multiplication and division won't help, won't make any problem. Na? It's an equation. So what I'll do, entire equation I'll multiply. That means I'm doing multiplication and division. And then it is becoming exact, so then I'll solve it and I'll get the solution. So both terms जो multiply करने के बाद वो exact होगा ना, that term is called as integrating factor. A factor which when multiplied with the given differential equation, after it becomes exact, and then integration of that gives me the solution of that particular differential equation. Is it okay? Clear now, Vedant?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So for finding that integrating factor, there are rules. Just you cannot say that I will just multiply and try and then see whether it is becoming delta by delta y is equal to delta by delta x. So what we are going to do, we are going to find there are some methods or there are some rules which will help us to say if the differential equation is like this, then this is the integrating factor. Is it okay? So there are 5 rules. Today I am going to tell you 4 rules. And then after telling those rules, I will handle one question so that you will identify which of the rules has to be. Because वो भी कुछ straightforward नहीं है ना. Rules भी identify करने के लिए methods हैं. But given a question, again you have to say first that whether it is non-exact, and then you have to identify which rule will be applicable. Okay? Clear up till this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me explain you now the rules. How to you can say mind map it. Given the question, how will you mind map it? That if this is the condition, then I will use this particular rule. So let me write down the rules first. Okay. So obviously your given differential equation will be of the type or can be converted to the type n dx plus n dy is equal to 0. This will be the differential equation given to you, which is non-exact. Obviously this will be non-exact. How do you know that it is non-exact? Delta n by delta y is not equal to delta n by delta x. This will be the thing. Also it won't be variable separable. Okay. Homogeneous, it may be homogeneous, but then maybe the first method that we have seen, substitution, will become lengthy, and that's why we are going for this method. Okay. So first rule says goes like this. That is a homogeneous. So if the question is homogeneous, there are 2 methods now for you to solve. One is the previous one. What we did in that homogeneous differential equation, we substituted. What did we do? If the question is dy by dx,
y equals to ux.
correct. Y is equal to ux, या फिर y by x is equal to u. That's substitution we did. So that was one method to solve homogeneous differential equation. Now second is this. If your differential equation is non-exact and m and n are homogeneous, means each of the term appearing in the expression of x and y are of same degree, homogeneous, and also one more condition is there. Mx plus my is non-zero. Mx plus my is non-zero, then your integrating factor is 1 upon mx plus my. M and n are homogeneous, that means whatever expressions which are there in x and y, they are of same degree, both the cases, and mx plus ny is non-zero, then your integrating factor is 1 upon mx plus ny. I'll repeat again. What do you mean by integrating factor? This term 1 upon mx plus ny, when you multiply to the given question, which was non-exact, जो इक्वेशन पहले नॉन एग्जैक्ट था, ये टर्म उसको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद इट विल बिकम एग्जैक्ट एंड देन आई नो हाउ टू सॉल्व इट। यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, एवरीबॉडी इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना? तो ये टर्म मुझे ये टर्म मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये एग्जैक्ट हो रहा है एंड देन आई हैव टू इंटीग्रेशन m dx y is constant plus integration m dy three terms from x is equal to c. That's the solution. Okay, so that is rule 1. Now rule 2 you can write simultaneously. Okay, rule 2, if given equation can be rewritten in, look at the formula, by f1 of xy dx plus x f2 of x into y dy is equal to 0, and mx minus ny is non-zero. Mx minus ny is non-zero. Then the integrating factor is. Can anybody guess what will be the integrating factor? Yes, please reply. कैसे करना है? Correct answer नहीं देना है. If given equation can be rewritten in this form, I tell you what is the meaning of this form. And mx minus ny is not zero. Then what is the integrating factor?
1 upon mx minus ny.
1 upon mx.
Absolutely. That's the reason they are saying that it should be non-zero, ना? यहाँ पे mx plus ny non-zero था, तो integrating factor was 1 upon mx plus ny. That should strike you, or you should go ahead with the intuition. mx minus ny यहाँ पे non-zero बोला है, so 1 upon mx minus ny. Okay? Here, now what is the meaning of this? Y f1 of xy dx plus x f2 xy dx. What is the meaning of this? This will be a question which will be given, which has x, y terms, all of them. तो उस इक्वेशन को I'll be able to reframe and write y dx x dy. सबसे पहले तो वो करूँगा. Whatever to write y dx plus x dy. Whatever term remains, it should be a function of x into y. It should be a function of x into y. Can anybody give me example of a function x into y का function का example भी बता सकता है? What is the meaning of xy function? Not x comma y, it is x into y. So can anybody give me the example of this? These are pure functions. कोई भी example?
3xy minus y square.
3xy minus
Y square.
let us do mistakes, not a problem. From that we can do it. Okay. Now I am asking you for a function in xy. F of x का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of f of x? It is 1 minus x squared
1 by
x ऐसे ना, या फिर 1 by 2x. कुछ सभी x नहीं चाहिए, सभी x नहीं चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे अगर मुझे f फंक्शन xy का चाहिए, तो सभी एक्सप्रेशन में xy होनी जरूरी है ना?
हाँ.
So will this be a function in xy?
No.
This is not a function in
2xy square कर सकते हो उसे.
Correct. So 3xy minus y square x square. This is a function in xy. समझ में आ रहा है? Whenever xy is coming in that expression, they should be together. जो x की डिग्री है, वही y की डिग्री होनी चाहिए. Do you understand the meaning of function of xy?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, all the students who are listening, check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Check.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
आदित्य जाएंगे, समझ लगा? डोबे, आदित्य डोबे.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
can you give one more example?
Yeah. f2 of xy can be 1 plus log of xy e raised to xy. Then sin of xy plus x square y square minus 3. These are all examples of xy function. This is very clear because it is wherever the variables are varied, they are varied as x into 1. So e raised to x का expansion will be for expansion of x1. So 1 plus xy the whole square by 2 factorial and so on. What about this? Is this a function in xy? 1 plus log of xy.
Yes, ma'am.
1 का क्या करें? Log of xy again is a function. Clearly you can see that it is xy function. Okay, what about 1?
xy0
Ma'am, xy having 0 power.
Very good, very good, very good. Constant term is of degree 0. So I can write 1 as xy raised to 0. Now, x into y raised to 0. There are also 3 into xy raised to 0. So these both of them are appearing, both the terms are having same power. So it is an expression which is a function in xy. Clear, everyone? Any words of x?
फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाय ची कन्सेप्ट एकदा परत सांगा.
जेव्हा कधी तुला एखाद्या इक्वेशन मध्ये x आणि y जे काय x ची डिग्री एका 10 टर्म्स आहेत त्या फंक्शन मध्ये सपोज 10 टर्म्स आहेत प्रत्येक टर्म मध्ये जी काय पॉवर x ची असेल तीच पॉवर y ची असेल तर त्या टर्मला xy ची टर्म म्हणतात. तर here it is x ची पॉवर 1 y ची पॉवर both of them are having same power. So this is entire term of power 1. Then x power is 2, y power is 2. This term is nothing but xy whole raised to 2. Are you getting it? म्हणजे जसं आपल्याला x हा व्हेरिएबल होता f of x मध्ये तसा आता आपला व्हेरिएबल xy आहे. त्याला पाहिजे तर तुम्ही नवीन नाव द्या u आणि हे सगळं मग काय म्हणा u च्या फॉर्म.
म्हणजे मॅम तो एकच व्हेरिएबल आहे, तुम्ही त्याला एक्स वाय लिहिले फक्त.
व्हेरिएबल दोन आहे पण ते एकत्रच नेहमी येतात. आले अपीयर झाले तर ते एकत्रच यायला पाहिजे. त्याला रिनेम करून तू जेव्हा रिनेम करशील तेव्हा तो एक व्हेरिएबल झाला. कारण इनिशियली आपल्याकडे दोन व्हेरिएबल कळते का इथे इनिशियली आपल्याकडे दोन व्हेरिएबल्स आहेत ना नाहीतर तुम्ही मला पण इथे पण एकच व्हेरिएबल आहे. मग dy by dx ला काही अर्थच नाही. गेटिंग इट?
मिस एक जरी व्हेरिएबल आलं तर दुसरं घ्यावंच लागतो आपल्याला म्हणजे x आला तर y घ्यायलाच लागतो ना.
हो असायलाच पाहिजे. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल कुठलं एक्झाम्पल नाहीये f1 of xy चं फंक्शन नाही. सो 1 plus x minus xy plus x square y. Suppose this is the question. So x is alone. That's not the answer. इथे मी y कॉमन घेतला तर मला x square y square मिळेल पण my परत degree of y is different. So I cannot put xy as single variable. ठीक है? समझलं का?
Yes, ma'am.
ज्याला डाउट होता त्याला समजलं का?
हा मॅम समजलं.
Okay. So now is this clear? We will be able to rewrite the question in that particular form. Or sometimes it will be given only in that form. For example, y into 1 minus xy dx plus x into 1 plus xy dy is equal to 0. This is our differential equation which is given. Can you see the question? Y into 1 minus xy dx plus x into 1 plus xy dy is equal to 0. This is the question. Okay. So you can see y dx is there, x dy is there. What is left? 1 minus xy, 1 plus xy. So is this a function in xy? Yes. Is this a function in xy? Yes. Therefore it is type 2. Then you have to check whether it is exact or not exact. If it is already exact, there is no need to multiply integrating factor. Even if you want to multiply the integrating factor, can anybody guess what will be the answer of the integrating factor? तर तुम्हाला समजलं.
1.
Absolutely right. It will be 1. समजते का? जर ऑलरेडी ते एक्झॅक्ट आहे तर त्याला काही मल्टिप्लाय करायची गरजच नाही ना. There is no need to multiply anything to that differential equation if it is already exact. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? अगर वो differential equation already exact है तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर फाइंड भी करोगे तो यू विल गेट इट 1. लेकिन वो अगर नॉन एक्सेक्ट है और इफ यू आर एबल टू फाइंड द रूट्स प्रॉपर्ली यू विल गेट सम expression in xy. You will get an expression in xy which when multiplied will tell you that yes now it is becoming exact differential equation. Okay? Clear?
तर मग आपण 1 अपॉन करतो तेव्हा ते नॉन एक्झॅक्टला करतो ना. 1 अपॉन करतो ते नाही का?
नाही बरं कुठला 1 अपॉन?
हा हेच आहे इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर 1 अपॉन mx.
हा इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर आहे. म्हणजे जर इफ यू आर गिवन डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन which was like this initially mx m dx plus n dy equal to 0. This was your original differential equation. Okay. This is non-exact. Now we are trying to make it exact, for which I have to find the integrating factor. So if it is type 1, then the integrating factor is 1 upon mx plus n1. म्हणजे काय I will multiply this. ये मुझे integrating factor in this equation से multiply करना है so that it will become exact and then I multiply out. If it is type 2, your integrating factor is 1 upon mx minus ny, which I multiply with the given equation, it will become exact and then solve by exact. Okay?
कळलं मॅम.
Yeah. Now let's go to rule 3 and rule 4. Now these two rules are very, very interesting, and this is where your brains have to be used a bit. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it necessary to have y term with dx?
Yes. This format is there, not there only this will be the integrating factor.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Rule 3. Rule 3 says, obviously, we have calculated delta n by delta y is not equal to delta n by delta x. Delta n by delta x, you know that. Now, rule 3 says that, obviously, they are different, so you can subtract them. Can you do this? Rohit, C16. Can I do delta n by delta y minus delta n by delta x? If they are different.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying that I was looking at rule 3. The differential equation is non-exact. Delta n by delta y is not equal to delta n by delta x. So can I do delta n by delta y minus delta n by delta x? I'm taking time, but I want you to get this fixed in your mind. Yes. Can I do that? Yeah. This will be a non-zero term because they're different.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now just see what I'm going to do in the denominator. I'm going to divide it by n. I'm going to divide it by n. If this expression is function of x, then your integrating factor is e raised to integration.
मैम दिख नहीं रहा हो आपका.
हो मॅम.
Yeah. Then your integrating factor is
f of x.
e raised to integration of f of x dx. E raised to integration of f of x dx. Now, it is not at all simple directly to remember this and write down the equation, write down the function also, and then say this is the rule, this is the integrating factor. Just see now how we are going to make it a mind map or keep it in your mind, relating it with your question. We are starting with m, derivative of m. Delta m by delta y. So I have to divide by the opposite variable, opposite derivative. If I start with m, derivative of m, I have to divide by n. And now, derivative of n is taken with respect to x. So the function should be f of x. Is this okay? This is called mind map. We know that this derivative is already found. If I start with the derivative delta n by delta y, subtracting it from delta n by delta x, I have to divide by the opposite derivative n. And n is differentiated with respect to x. Therefore, the final term should be in terms of x. This is how we will keep it in mind. Okay? And then once you know f of x, integrating factor is e raised to integration f of x dx. E raised to integration f of x dx. This is rule 3. Is there any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
No, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you tell me rule 4, which is from this only. Now what did it mean? Doubt.
मैम divided by
Divide by m equals to f of
minus
y.
delta m by delta x upon m
Delta n by delta y divided by
Upon m
f of y
equals to
equals
f
to
of y.
f of y.
and therefore
Then integration factor equals to
E raised to power f of y dx.
got it? That's it.
You.
So that is the rule 4. Samajh the subject, this is the thing, and this is the way you should keep that in mind, and then it is very easy to understand. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are 4 rules. 5th rule is a bit different only, so I'm going to take it tomorrow. But today, these 4 rules, you write it down and we'll solve the example on this. Quickly, please write down all the 4 rules. Rule number 1, Swapnil, you are there? Swapnil, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Speed is not too much now. You are understanding that.
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
If anyone is not understanding or feeling that it is a bit fast, please tell me. Okay. And once you are done writing, you please say, we'll go ahead and we will write down the questions. This is the question. And take only what time this lecture completes?
11:40.
11:40.
Okay, so we have a lot of time. We have at least few questions.
मॅम
Yeah?
मॅम इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर काढायसाठी काय मेथड आहे का म्हणजे सॉल्व्ह करून?
We are saying the proof of that, e raised to कसं करायचं?
हां हां
Proof तरी याच्यामध्ये आम्ही देईल तुला पाठवून. I'll share the video which will have the proof of it. Okay?
ठीक आहे मॅम.
Actually, it's a link between what to say, non-exact differential equation and linear differential equation. Linear differential equation चे पण integrating factor असेच असतात. E raised to integration f of x dx. So I'll share that video with you. Okay? Because if you go too much into depth of it, maybe some of our students may get confused. So I'll share it separately. Okay? Or I'll share it on Google Classroom. Those who want, you can go through that. Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other question? Please write down.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll write down the questions then. Question number 1 is solve by first one y into 2xy plus e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x dy. Second, x minus y square dx plus 2xy dy is equal to 0. Third, x into x minus y dy by dx is equal to y into x plus y. Fourth is 1 plus xy into y plus 1 minus xy into x. From all these four, the easiest one is which one? Can everybody tell me?
Fourth one.
Last
Fourth.
one.
Last one, absolutely. Last one is directly given in the type 2 form. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
So should we start with that first or we'll start with the first one?
First one only.
Yeah, we'll start with first one only because right now obviously you have already understood that 4 questions of type 4. So even if you are not able to complete it, you can write at home. So let us start with the first one. Okay? Is it given in the form n dx plus n dy is equal to 0? No. E raised to x we have to get it on left hand side. So y into 2xy plus e raised to x dx minus e raised to x dy is equal to 0. This is your reframed differential equation. What is L? What is the expression N? Yes, Shivam, roll number 37, the division you are there. Shivam, आपको Shivam Prabhadra, are you there? Jay Finke, you are there? Roll number 25, the division. Roll number 49, C division. Ayushi, you are there? All those who are not saying, giving the answers, I am on the website. Yes. Meenakshi, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is M?
Ma'am, y into 2xy plus e raised to x.
Yes, so I will rewrite it properly. It is 2xy square plus e raised to xy. Okay, multiplied by inside, that is your m. Why I don't want this to get scared? But if you're wrong, I will help you out to understand it. Leaving the classroom is not this point. What is m, Meenakshi?
Minus e raised to x.
Very good. Just you have to compare the thing. I have written everything on the board. Dx के साथ जो है वो है m, dy के साथ जो है वो है n. Okay. So now what is the thing? After this, obviously you have to find whether it is exact or not. So delta m by delta y. What is the value of delta m by delta y? 4xy plus e raised to x. 4xy plus e raised to x. And what is delta m by delta x? Could you tell me?
E raised to x.
Minus e raised to x. So they are different. They are not same.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, delta m by delta y is not equal to delta m by delta x. They are different. They are different. Therefore, differential equation is not exact. It is non-exact. Hence, we have to find the integrating factor. So, how will we find the integrating factor? We have to see which type of question it is, which rule will be applicable. Now, is it homogeneous? Look at the question. Don't solve and see. E raised to x is there. That is definitely it will be homogeneous. Clear? E raised to x का expansion क्या होता है?
1 plus.
Yeah. 1 plus x square by 2 factorial. This all we have done in M1. So it has increasing powers of x. So homogeneous हो सकता है क्या? Homogeneous means all the terms should have same degrees. So it is not homogeneous. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Secondly, is it of the type y dx plus x dy का term है क्या? Y dx है, लेकिन x dy है ही, so not root 4. Okay? So it means either it is rule 3 or rule 4. Clear up in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, your main target is to find whether it is rule 3 or rule 4. For which there is a very simple way to do it. Either you subtract delta m by delta y from delta m by delta x, or reverse. What will be the only change? Negative sign होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
This minus this or this minus this. यहाँ से m delta m by delta y में से delta m by delta x subtract करो, या फिर delta m by delta x से delta m by delta y. You will have only changing sign. Terms तो वैसे ही रहेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you do the subtraction. 4xy plus e raised to x minus or minus will become plus e raised to x. ठीक है? What I did, this minus this, I made it 1 minus 2 is giving me plus. What type of function it becomes? 4xy plus 2 e raised to x. तो 2 कॉमन लोगे तो आपको क्या आएगा? 2xy plus e raised to x. तो it is of this type. Y कॉमन लेने के बाद यहाँ पे look at this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
तो वो टर्म कौन सा है? m dx है ना, तो डिवीजन बाय m आएगा. डिवीजन बाय m में ही टर्म्स कैंसिल होंगे ना.
Yes, ma'am.
समझते हैं क्या सगळ्यांना? एक बार फिर से बता रही हूँ. Listen carefully. This is the only thing which is important. Either you subtract delta m by delta y from delta m by delta x, or reverse. These terms will be 4xy plus e raised to x plus e raised to x. That is 4xy plus 2 e raised to x, or minus e raised to x minus e raised to x is minus 2 e raised to x and minus 4x. So if you take 2 common, you will be left with 2xy plus e raised to x, which is of this term. Where it appears, it is appearing in m. ये m में आ रहा है, तो डिवीजन करने के बाद वो टर्म कैंसिल होगा और सिर्फ y का टर्म बचेगा. मतलब डिवीजन बाय y का रूल यूज करता है, and which is that rule? Delta m by delta x minus delta m by delta y divided by m should be a function of 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everyone?
ma'am.
Yeah. So delta m by delta x क्या है? Minus e raised to x. And delta m by delta y is minus xy minus e raised to x. And m is y into 2xy plus e raised to x. That gives you, take 2 minus 2 common, then take, so it is 2xy plus e raised to x divided by y 2xy plus e raised to x, which gets cancelled, and then an expression is minus 2y. This is your function in one. But what is your integrating factor? Everybody has written the questions, all 4 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So your answer will be like this. Therefore, your integrating factor is e raised to integration of minus 2y by dy, which is e raised to minus 2 log of y, which is e raised to log of y raised to minus 2, and that is your answer is minus 2, which is 35 minus 2. So this is the integrating factor. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And therefore, now when we multiply integrating factor with the given fraction, given equation. What is that given equation? Please tell me. I found it. 1 by y square into y 2xy plus e raised to x dx mana minus e raised to x dy is equal to 0 is integrating factor multiply करने के बाद क्या होगा ये is exact differential equation. If you want, you can cross check for your satisfaction. Okay, so what is your new m now? ये by अंदर multiply करो. So what is that? As we write it in that form. So it is y into y square. Please listen carefully. Y into y square, it will get cancelled, so you get 2x. Plus 1y will get cancelled, you get e raised to x by 1. Integration dx. And hence, solution is x plus integration y square directly multiply minus e raised to x upon y square dy is equal to c. This will be your solution. dx के साथ क्या करना है? You have to take 3 from 1. या फिर y is constant. What do you want? Which integration you feel will be lengthy? Without the say. Okay. What do you want to do? dx के साथ क्या करना है? Please tell me quickly.
Y constant.
Y constant.
Take y as constant. And यहाँ पे terms free from
Remove x.
free from x.
Free from x.
Therefore, your solution will be y is constant. dx so integration of 2x. 2x का integration क्या होगा? 2x square by 2.
2x squared by 2.
Yeah, 1 by y is constant. E raised to x integration is e raised to x. Free from x, so ये पूरा टर्म चला जाएगा. And that's why it's equal to c. You sum of your friend with the other way around. Free from y and x is constant, you get the same answer. Check. So 2 into x cancel. X square plus e raised to x by y is equal to c. Is your solution of given differential equation. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes,
Ma'am?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
वो
Yes,
e
ma'am.
पावर x by y स्क्वायर का 0 कैसे?
Terms free from x मतलब क्या? यहाँ पे जो टर्म है इसमें x है. e raised to x upon y square. ये पूरा एक टर्म है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो पूरा निकाल देंगे. And you will be left with nothing, so that integration is 0. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Try to solve the second question then. ये लिखते हो गया होगा तो go for second question. Quickly go for second question. Then the question number 2. The question. What was it? Number 2. Quickly.
x minus y square dx plus 2xy dy.
Okay. So again, is this homogeneous? Degree 2 है क्या सबकी?
No.
No, it's
No.
not.
No,
So
ma'am.
it's not type 1. Then is it of the type y dx? See here, I could have
Ma'am,
taken
type
y
3.
common, y dx 3. x भी y है, लेकिन y dx नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि यहाँ पे x alone है. Not type 2 also, right? तो type 3 या type 4. इसलिए m rule की है.
Type 3, ma'am.
Okay.
Type 3, ma'am.
Very good. So m is this. therefore gamma x by gamma y solve करो जी तो समझना है. n is equal to 2xy. So gamma m by gamma x. What is gamma m by gamma y? Minus 2y. And what is gamma m by gamma x? Plus 2y. So they are different. Therefore, gamma m by gamma y is not equal to gamma m by gamma x. And therefore, differential equation is non-exact. Differential equation is non-exact, and therefore we see whether rule 3 or rule 4. So minus 2y is minus 4y. तो ये वाला डिवीजन तो आएगा ही नहीं because this has two terms. यहाँ पे ही सिंगल टर्म है. So who is this n? So division by n से x बचेगा, y by x बचेगा. So division by n मतलब you will start with gamma m by gamma y minus gamma m by gamma x divided by n, which is n with respect to is minus 2y divided by 2xy. So that is minus 4y divided by 2xy. 2x cancel, y gets cancelled, is minus 2yx. Can anybody tell me quickly without solving what is the integrating factor?
1 by x square.
Correct. Very good. So it is minus 2x dx, and that is raised to log of x raised to minus 2, and therefore 1 by x square. X square integrating factor. So आपको multiply करने के बाद question you get the differential equation to be exact. Integrating factor with the given equation 1 upon x square into x minus y square dx plus 2xy upon x square dy is equal to 0 is exact, and therefore solution is integration x square by x square is 1 by x minus y square by x square dx plus integration 2y by x divided by c. I'll take free from x, तो ये पूरा टर्म चला जाएगा. यहाँ पे y is constant. Your answer will be
Log
1
x
upon
plus y square plus x.
log x minus y square, correct? The same answer is right. 1 upon x square का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? X raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. I'm writing it for those who want to we get the integration. So this is minus of minus plus y square by x is equal to c. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So 1 by. So now okay, so this is the solution. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so did you be able to solve the remaining two questions?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are not able, then we'll see the answers tomorrow. Okay? And right, we'll stop for today. And what I will say, I will give you some instructions for that. Just a minute.